Good morning, Freddie Eddie. What are you doing? Freddie, are you going to bury yourself? What are you doing? Come on. Come on, you're going to know where the nuts are. They're up here. Let's go. Come on, Freddie. Come on. Aw, you scared my squirrel away. Come on, Freddie. Come on. I know, he's waiting for you to leave so he can come get his nuts. Come on, Freddie. There you are. Come on, Freddie. Come on. What are you doing over there? Come on, Fred. Come on. Freddie, where you going? Come on, Freddie. Freddie. Come on, Fred. Oh, there he is up on his perch. Where is he? Let's lighten this. There he is. Hey, Freddie. Come on. Coast is clear. Freddie. Here we go. Come on, Fred. Let's go. Come on. Nobody here. There we go. Here comes Freddie. He's running over here. Here we go. We just want to wait for them to leave. He wants his breakfast. Good morning, Fred. Nice to see you. There's my Freddie. Morning, Freddie Eddie. He's right next to me, see? That's my chair. And here's my Freddie. And he didn't like me moving the camera. Here he is. There's my Freddie Eddie. Oh, where we going? Where we going? And the rest of the nuts are right here, right next to me. See? There's my leg. Here's the nuts. There's the Freddie. Here it comes. We're not done yet. Here I'm chewing. He's getting closer. He's only a foot away from me right now. Freddie's been eating with me, having breakfast with me every day, almost every day. In nice weather. Since a year ago, about 14 months ago, I met Freddie when he had a big tick infection right on the corner of that eye. That's how I know it's Freddie. And Freddie's a girl. We didn't know that, but Freddie's a girl. Where's Freddie going now? He's going to go hide some nuts. Here we go. Oh, maybe not. He's licking the salt off it. That's what he does before he buries them. 2 more nuts left. No, maybe not. Wait a minute. Is he gonna bury him? No. Come back. Come on, Freddie. Where are you? Why are you burying something right next to me? Oh, there you are. What are you doing? What is that? That's a piece of garbage, Freddie. What do you got? You wiping your face? I don't know, and I've seen you do that before. What is in your mouth? Oh, how funny. This has never happened. Oh my God, it's a mouse. He has a mouse. Freddie has a mouse in his mouth. Oh my God, look. I didn't think... Oh, Freddie, you're not bringing me a mouse? Please don't bring me a mouse. Oh my God, don't bring me a mouse, Freddie. Is that a mouse? Is it a toy mouse? It looks like a toy mouse. What the fuck is he got? And he's gonna have a nut with it. That wasn't a real mouse, was it? What the fuck? Freddie, what do you have and where are you going with it? And by the way, that was just a dove above me making that crazy noise. I've got a pair of doves nesting 10 foot from my face, but let me tell you something. I am like, what is he doing? Tell me it's a toy mouse. I have never seen a mouse here. That's got to be a toy mouse. It looked too good. My hands are shaking. I don't know what the hell's in his mouth. But he is not letting go of it. And he came back for one more nut, and there's one more left. But what does he have? And where is he going with it? Okay, we're following him. Hold on. This is crazy. He buries it. I'm going to dig it up. What has he got? Freddie, what are you doing? What is this? He's burying it. Holy shit, he's burying it. What the fuck? Oh shit. Where's he going? Yeah, he's gonna go up that tree with it. Really? Really? Freddie? What? What? Freddie, what are you doing? Oh God, my hands are shaking. Where is he? Where is he going? Freddie, you coming back with it? I'll go back on the porch. Oh, he's gonna bury it somewhere. He really is. Oh my God, my hands are shaking. He doesn't know what to do with whatever he's got there. And it had a head and ears and eyes, and I don't know if it was fake or real. What the fuck is he doing? Sorry about the language, but I'm flipping out here. This has been a weird week for animals, I'll tell you what. Nope. He's still carrying it. Come on, what is up with that? He can't make up his mind what to do with the damn thing, so he's going up the tree. Alright, I tell you what, Freddie.